Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now macula. In the picture given here, this is the macula. This is the macula. The length or diameter of the macula is 5.5 millimeters, and it is 15 degrees to the visual field. The visual axis is 15 degrees to it, so it is 15 degrees to the visual field. Then this is actually, it contains the pigment xanthophyll, thus causing this pigmented thing. It also contains other pigments also. It contains xanthophyll pigments, it contains carotenoid pigments, lutein pigments, and also xanthine, zeaxanthin. So it contains xanthophyll, carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Xanthin are present mainly in a higher concentration than in the peripheral retina.
thank you and thank you for watching.